Hi, it's Angeline here. Does life sometimes just get in the way and you don't have enough time to craft? So today I'm going to show you how to do some easy coloring with spray mist. I've already stamped some flowers on some white cardstock, which is from the Blossom and Flourish Unity Stamp Kit, and I'm grabbing some Prima Color Bloom spray mist here. You could grab any kinds of spray mist that you have already, but for this you have to shake it up well before you start using and just start spritzing. I know how sometimes coloring in things takes so much time. Sometimes I take a few days just to make a card. So if you want to make a quick and easy card right now and you want to add some lovely colors to your stamp images, this is a great way to go. Once you're done spritzing, remember to let it dry or use a heat tool before you start fussy cutting everything out. So here are all my flowers all cut out and ready to go. And I'm also using this Bible scripture from the new He Will Sustain You kit from Unity Stamp as well. And I'm just going to be adhering the sentiment right in the middle of my card. I'm keeping everything plain in the background because I want the flowers to stand out. And I am using some glue dots here because it will give me the freedom to place my flowers anywhere in behind or in the front of each flower. So as you can see, I can place it right behind without any issue here. And I'm just arranging all the flowers to crowd around the Bible verse in the middle. And here I'm grabbing the Unity sequins, which is called Cinderella, and I'm just adding it to the center of all my flowers. And here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique today and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!